So everybody, here we are with Michael, a dude who's 22 years old and has such gorgeous, thick, level 3 medium brown hair. And he doesn't really need a lot of color, but supposing, as he's starting his modeling career, we just put tiny little threads of some lighter brownette pizzazz highlights in his hair. It'll make him look like he was as lucky as hell and could go to the Caribbean this winter and just sit in the sun for a few days. He's level 3, and I'm going to be using Rusk in 10 8 Ash, 1 ounce of 8 Ash, 2 ounces of 20 volume Rusk in 10 Developer, and I'm just going to go forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, maybe 7 or 8 foils in this head, and we're just going to put the softest little whispers of light through the hair. If he likes it, he can do it again. But I bet during the summer he'll be outside enough and it'll pick it up again. So this is kind of a once or twice a year thing for you guys who come into the salon. They might be a little bored. They might be guys who always play a lot of sports and they're outside a lot and they've been cooped up. It's winter time, so let's put back the pizzazz with some Rusk in 10. Sometimes just a little bit of a color boost can speak volumes. And so what I like to do on brunette guys who just want to be like that sun-kissed look, like I didn't do anything, I was out playing sports. Rusk in 10 is great. This is, again, virgin hair. It is mid-brown, between mid and light brown. And I'm using level 8A, which is 8 ash, a level 8 ash, light blonde ash, mixed with 20 volume developer. Again, with Rusk in 10, 1 ounce of color is mixed with 2 ounces of developer. And I'm going to show you a little bit of a highlighting technique, of course using foil. And I'm going to place a highlight at the face frame and then diagonally back. At the face, diagonally back. And probably we're going to put 8 or 10 pieces and that's it. And I think you're going to see a really fun difference. Okay, so here we are, starting in some of these longer top layers of the hair. I'm going to weave, skip, slice, skip, slice. So again, I do want to show you when their hair is thicker like this, instead of doing tinier weaves, I take a slice, a skip, a slice, a skip, a slice, a skip, and a slice. So not only is formulating important, but also the technique, what you're doing with your hands. And again, this is Rusk in 10, level 8 ash that I'm applying. And this is great because a young guy comes into the salon like this, and he sure doesn't plan on staying here all day. But you can give him a little boost, add to your ticket, and you know, it'll attract his pals and his buddies who might want to also look a little more sunlit. Just the softest highlights. Michael is starting his career in modeling, and sometimes that camera loves to see just a little spark in this hair. So that's what we're doing. And of course, again, I fold in from one side. You as an artist can do whatever you choose. And you'll see when I get to this gorgeous point in the center of his head, I'm going to go on an angle parallel to that point and then wrap right behind it. Make it a little stronger there because I really want to show one piece that kind of would be as if his head was back in the sun for the day, or he's out at the beach playing volleyball or something, and his hair was wet. One of the things we like to avoid, of course, this is a really good double ash, strong, cool tone, so we do not produce a highlight that's that orangey color. So a level 8 on a level 4 should bring us to about a level 6, and that's where red can show up. But the balance of this 8 ash with Rusk in 10 is such a nice, rich deposit of ash that you'll see a kiss of warmth, but it won't be too much. And not every highlight goes down to the scalp, and not every low light would go down to the root. So, as you see, this looks like the sun just kissed the ends of his hair. And let's do another one like that. Let's take this and slice, skip, slice, skip, slice, and do another melted or floating away from the scalp so it doesn't look like your mom's frost job. It looks very modern. Okay, and one more on this side. And then I'm going to turn him and repeat the same thing on the other side so you can take a look and see for yourself. Sometimes guys like just a little pump in the hair so that it doesn't look too flat and it looks like they were at the beach. Michael here has beautiful brunette hair, and like a lot of us, he's been spending a lot of time indoors, so we wanted to just beef up his natural brunette color using Rusk and 10. And here we used the 8 Ash on his level 3-4 hair, and you can just see little sun glints that I wove and sliced through the top. Not that many foils, maybe 8 to 10 foils, and just a few minutes of processing at room temperature, only 10 minutes, to give him, you know, guys don't want orange hair and they don't want black. They don't want to look like Ronald McDonald and they don't want to look like Elvis, but they want to do a little something special. So he's not a blonde, and trying to put super blonde highlights in this hair would look great, but he'd have to keep doing it and then kind of a little tough to wear. So just some lighter brown on brown makes his beautiful haircut, show off the great dimension in the hair and his great face. Happy to do it, and hair colors for guys too, don't forget it.